Hello, welcome back. I'm Tiffany, if you're new here. If not, and you've been here for a while and you're like, where the heck has been she? Where the heck has been she? Yes, this is my English now. Wow, okay. It's been a hot minute. Hair's rough and on day 3 and I'm in a robe and the lighting this entire video has been absolutely atrocious. So, welcome to this video. Pretty much everyday makeup, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and clicking on this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get going. Today's gonna be, who knows what kind of video. Kind of like a quarantine, what I wear makeup wise when I'm wearing a mask, I guess. The plan is for me to do some like singing covers later, so I need a face. You're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs, 'cause how could I ever love someone else? Alright, I need to start with some skincare because like my face is so dry. I just got out of the shower, I'm in a robe, we're chilling, you know. I'm using my Ole Henriksen, what is this? Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. Love, love, love. Sorry if the lighting keeps like fluctuating. It is daytime, so like the sun is getting weird. But I have a light on to try and counteract that, but like it's not really working. Eye cream, same thing, Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is literally my skincare, and I was planning on doing a skincare video at some point. So may or may not still be coming. Obviously there's more things that I use than eye cream and moisturizer, so I guess we can still do that video. Alright, so I do have to say that one of my favorite concealers recently is going to be the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Fortunately, I don't have it in a lighter shade that I need, but I love it. So, we're going to use it anyways. This is what I've been using every day for work. So, I usually just do a little spot conceal, cover the redness on my forehead and under my nose. Then I go in with a lighter version of Maybelline's Fit Me. Pop a little in there just to brighten it up a little bit. But for whatever reason, this always seems to be my choice of mirror when I film. Usually when I'm at work, obviously I'm in a mask. All you're really seeing is my top T-zone here and under my eyes. So that's usually the primary focus. Just to brighten everything up and make it look more even, because obviously, as we saw before, my skin tone naturally is more on the red side, and red's not cute, so at least not on me. Don't appreciate it. I'm gonna go in with my I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible foundation. Usually I put this on with my beauty sponge, which I should go get, but I'm gonna take a chance and I'm gonna use a brush today. I haven't used a brush in a hot minute, and I usually don't like it if I want to go for like a lighter weight glowy skin because it packs it on so much. But I'm gonna have some faith in this foundation right now, that it just stays the glowy beautifulness that I want. But like normally when I'm not trying to do a lot of face, I end up doing a lot of face, you know? Okay, that's the base. Super simple. I know normally it's foundation then concealer to brighten everything up, but like on days where I'm just trying to like be just an upgraded version of myself, I do it this way because everything will blend more easily and look more natural. So we do it this way. Honestly, for work, I haven't been using bronzer or anything. I have recently repurchased my very much loved Revlon Photo Ready Instafix in the shade Rich Ginger cream contour. I used to use this so much, it was ridiculous. So I'm just gonna take some on a brush and we're gonna pop it on. Again, can't see what I'm doing, so we're gonna pretty much just pray for the best here. I also got this new blush in my FabFitFun box as well. It's by Phase Zero. It's called Making Moves. It's like a peach, a dark peach color with like a little, I wouldn't say shimmer, but like it's like sheen, has a sheen to it. Like I said, I don't do any of this for work, which is why I've been desperately wanting to. It's been a hot minute. As usual, that looks like way more than it is, but I also just realized I'm putting this on skin that hasn't been set yet. So this is a great move on my part. Absolutely not. So I'm actually gonna set my face. I feel like this is gonna be a botch tutorial of whatever is happening with me right now. This is something I definitely still do every single day, especially with masks. I feel like I get extra oily and shiny just because I'm running around at work and I'm getting like a little sweaty. Not, oh, I shouldn't say sweaty, but like we can overheat some days. So I definitely still go in with powder in the morning and then have to blot a little bit consistently throughout the day as well. This is literally what setting to me looks like now. Just slopping it all over my face. I've really been like non-traditional with makeup lately, and I just kind of love it still. I guess it's because I don't really try right now at work, so that's why this is how it is now. So I'm gonna try and blend in that blush a little better. I think all that's happening is I'm putting more on, but like whatever, fine, if that's what needs to happen. So face is pretty much done. I am gonna go on with some highlight, even though I don't do that. Literally, I just keep saying I don't do it. For work, I would have just stopped at the concealer by now. Literally my first step. It's literally the only thing I do to my face, and then set it, brows and mascara, and then adios, I'm out. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill Flash palette, I'm just taking a random color. I don't know what color this is. Iced. I'm just gonna throw a little bit on here. Whoa, that was not a little bit. All right, cool. Obviously, good palette, but like way more. And I put it on my friend. Ugh. Damn, look at that. Okay. It's like the worst video to come back with possible, but we're going for it. Something's better than nothing, right? That's what I thought. Alright, one down. We've definitely had some good brow growth, especially in the middle here, since the last video, so are they even the same shape? I'm gonna go throw soap in these and I'll be right back. Okay, you can see that my brows are glistening. Hopefully they don't actually look green. My soap is green this time around. So we're gonna hope for the best. Okay, so like I've been saying literally this entire video that I said I wasn't gonna talk through, only do really concealer, nothing crazy makeup wise. Recently I have been going back and doing like a little liner, smoked out liner kind of thing. It's really nothing special at all. I go in with my Smoky palette by Naked. What? My Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette with like a pencil brush, and I'll just smoke out the outer portion of my lash line. Take like a tiny little angled brush, dip in like the brown color. Please don't mind this ugliness. Ugh, my dad had to glue this thing back together because I broke it. So I go in with the brown color called Whiskey, and I literally just start flicking it up from the outer portion of my eye. I don't set my eyes or anything, like there's no main concealer or anything going on my eyes. I just do this to give myself some more definition because I wear my glasses a lot at work. So like, it'll make my eyes look nice even under my glasses. But like I said, nothing crazy at all. I just tap, 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 tap. And you can see like it gives me a little bit more. Sometimes if I'm feeling wild, I'll go underneath too. Just like literally like a third of the way, and that's it. And then I'll rub it out because I don't want it to be too wild. But like, that's literally the difference, if you can see what I'm talking about at all. Okay, that's pretty much what we're looking like. This probably looks absolutely atrocious on camera, but this is me in real life, so we're going for it, okay? Nothing's changed with mascara. Still my Maybelline Temptation. This one's absolute garbage right now because it's severely dried out and old and I really need a new one, but we're gonna make it work. So okay, mascara actually really came through for me today. Magic, who knows? I am just gonna go ahead and throw on some baby lips from Maybelline and call it a day. This one is great. There we go. We have some juicy lips, we have some dewy skin, and we're pretty much looking like our normal selves, just an upgrade and a little bit better. So bam. Yo, that's probably like a 10-minute video. We're great. We did great. This is the first great video back. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I got another video done, like for real. I'm gonna do some singing now for other videos. So yeah, we're just gonna leave our hair like this because this is real life, you know? Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was not terrible. I hope it turned out okay. This is, I guess, another everyday makeup tutorial for you. Didn't even talk about my life or anything that's happening, but like, it's fine. Hopefully I'll do another one soon where I actually do that. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one, whenever that is. Bye.